Hi guys, welcome to another trade recap video. Today we're going to be discussing this trade I took on micro S&P 500. Very clean day today, honestly. Well, in terms of news, because as we can see, if we open up Forex Factory, we have absolutely zero news today, which is overall very good for us. Next, waking up this morning, bro, I saw this crazy new week opening gap. This was like 300 points. So I did expect, oh yeah, on NQ is 300. So I did expect a big move to the upside today. So my bias was overall bullish. Our previous week was very bullish, as we can see over here. Our previous week, every single day was bullish. Like, how does that not even convince that your bias is bullish? So if anybody is questioning their bias on this week or on previous week, bull, bro, bull. It was that easy to see. Next, okay, let's get into the trade. We were bullish, so I was looking only for longs. I saw that we tapped into this big looking 30-minute fair value gap as well, and we took out this liquidity. So just confirmation of that we were bullish. All right, next. Before market open, we formed a 10-minute fair value gap, created this bullish SMT on ES, and after that, let's scale down to the 1 minute. We had a double top. We reacted off of this 10-minute gap. On NQ, we had a little fair value gap that I wanted to inverse since that's part of my strategy right over here. But we had a inverse that was way too aggressive for me. I did not want to enter, and I held myself back because I thought, what if we reverse on these highs? We didn't. Short story long. Or no, long story short, we didn't. So I just waited for another entry. As we can see, we had this equilibrium from this low to this high. We hit it. We reacted off of it pretty well. We had this 1 minute fair value gap. We reacted off of that well as well. Yo, I'm kind of Shakespeare. Also had a 5-minute fair value gap, reacted off of that. It lined up with oh my gosh, my accent is slipping. It lined up with equilibrium. That's why I primarily entered after after reacting off of the 1 minute and closing above it. Yeah, as you can see, we have this close. I entered on the next candle. Yeah, that was my entry. Okay, now we can delete this, we can delete this, we can delete all of this. Well, actually, no, I want to leave some things. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so we entered. We got a good bullish entry, which it climbed up a bit. After a few minutes, we formed a bullish SMT, disrespected it, took out this low, went up, and the uptrend it was real. The uptrend is real. I was super happy about this candle because it wicked like crazy. It wicked crazy, and I was happy about that because first of all, we took out these lows. We tapped into a 1 minute fair value gap, and after that we had a bullish candle. So I was like, holy, this is skyrocketing. It didn't necessarily skyrocket, but it went up. So it went up. My break-even point was last week's close. So which was like here, this wick over here. That was my break even. I went break even. I trailed my stop loss to be at a bit under this SMT. We formed this SMT as well, so I thought I'm gonna put it just under. So if we respect the SMT, we go higher. If we don't, we're in profit still, and we're in profit for the day. Right now, I would have been less in less profit for the day. However, wait, let's see. Is this a SMT forming right now? No, it's not. Okay. Well, get me back on my chart. I got a new keyboard. Well, it's not a new one, but new one for me. And it's kind of glitchy. I can't lie. Sometimes the Bluetooth is delayed or something like that. By the way, my face is actually like flashbanged right now. Let me try putting my monitor brightness down. Already better. Okay. Damn. I really was just in a. I posted a reel about the big gap which had the flashbang. So if you want, you can see that Instagram peaks.dac because we're training the DAC and the S&P 500. Basically, bro, we almost hit my first TP. It would have been nice. It low-key would have been nice if we hit our first TP. But we didn't. I'm fine with that. I'm generally fine with that. Final profit for the day was $145. Now we're only 60 buckaroos down from 50,000. I had only losing trades on this account, by the way. Well, my first ever trade was break even because I was just like degenerating. I was in my music class. I entered for like one contract, and then it went down, bro, as soon as I entered that shit. But it didn't hit my stop loss, thankfully, because right now I would have been $60 more down. But it like got a bro. As soon as I entered, it went boop, and then it went boop 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 boop. So it went slowly up, and I just put my take profit. I waited for a price to go above my entry, and then I trailed my stop loss instead of putting my take profit at 0. Yeah, that's how unexperienced I was. Literally exactly 1 week ago, by the way. So yeah. That's my first ever trade. That's how it went. After that, all my trades were losses. We can even see them here. This was my break even. It's on the bottom, by the way, guys, right over here. Then we had $100 loss. Then we had 45, 50. My total realized P&L was like minus 200. And then I went psych. And now we're only 60 down from my 50K point. So now we just gotta go up, up, up. We gotta LARP. Yeah, daily LARPing sesh, guys. Don't forget to do that. It lowers your cortisol, boost test. By the way, not medical advice. I just said that because I wanted to. So yeah, entered my trade 27 minutes into market open, and closed my trade almost 2 hours into market open. So this lasted for almost an hour and a half, a bit less. But hey, I'm happy with today. I really am. I think I need to risk a bit more contracts. My final TP, by the way, was like $650, but it never hit that. I'm gonna see what this plays out, as I'm gonna post some Instagram videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this trade recap. Hope everybody has a blessed day, night, evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you live. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next trade recap. Peace.